We're Team Bobcats in outer space structures. We're taking on the challenge of creating a habitat module optimized for lunar and Martian environments. Our goal is to produce a product design as well as manufacturing, transportation, and assembly plans for the module.
Our module needs to maintain a breathable atmosphere and protect from hazards like radiation and extreme temperatures. Astronauts need plenty of space to move around as they live and work in the module, but constraints on launch mass and volume impose limits on how spacious the habitat module can be.
To maximize the available space on the inside of the module, we pursued a deployable structure that would allow us to ship a larger habitat inside a given payload volume. Our module takes mission-proven designs a step further to create a new configuration with repairability and long-term missions in mind.
Our habitat module features a deployable design with two main parts. The inflatable inner structure is made of multiple layers of aramid fiber and polymer attached to a solid aluminum base that comprises the interior of the habitat and houses mission-critical equipment.
The outer shell is composed of replaceable shielding panels that clip into the solid base and protect the interior from dust and debris.
We are NASA Space Grant.